Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It allows you to visualize your data and share insights across your organization, or embed them in an app or website. With Power BI, you can connect to hundreds of data sources, simplify data prep, and drive ad hoc analysis. Producing beautiful reports, then publishing them for your organization to consume on the web and across mobile devices is a breeze. One of the standout features of Power BI is its interactive dashboards. These dashboards allow users to dive deep into their data with just a few clicks, making it easy to identify trends, patterns, and insights that might not be obvious at first glance. Power BI also integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products, such as Excel, Azure, and Dynamics 365, enhancing its functionality and making it an essential tool for any data-driven business. Security is a top priority for Power BI. With its robust data protection capabilities, you can ensure that your data is secure and compliant with industry standards and regulations. In summary, Power BI empowers users to transform data into actionable insights, fostering a data-driven culture within your organization. Whether you're a business professional, a data analyst, or just getting started with data visualization, Power BI offers the tools and capabilities to help you succeed. Ready to take your data analysis to the next level? Let's dive into Power BI and unlock the potential of your data.